Sartaj sir.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So, I am Sartaj Singh Kang from the great state of Punjab. Very lucky and happy to be here. This whole project was an eye-opening experience, led by a great leader, a great team. Learned a lot. A lot of questions were answered. A step in the right direction for all of us when it comes to farming. And just a great experience. 5 days flew by. We didn't even realize 5 days are gone. And now we came in as students and leaving as family, and I'm very appreciative of them. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much to the ma'ams. Thank you so much to Rajiv, sir. And thank you so much to Amrita, ma'am. And the whole team here. The students were great, and I encourage others to come here as well and join the experience, join the mission. And it's well worth it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.